Oh yeah, I have been away. I have been mostly away for reasons. Yeah, secret reasons. You don't have the security clearance for that knowledge. But today we're at the Haukankierros. Haukankierros means the hawks loop round. And I have a friend with me. There she is! Hello! Hello! It's Taika. Taika is with me. You remember Taika from one of my previous video from a long time ago when we were hiking with Taika. We were in a tent. Oh. Wait, honey bunny. Yeah, when we were having this camping trip. There's a video, not in the description, but on my account. Yeah. And today we have summer holiday. You see, the weather is the best you can ever imagine for summer holidays. Yeah. In Finland we have loads of paid holidays, and this is one of those. Yeah. And oh god, there are people coming here. They're crazy people. Don't come here because it's normal Monday and people should be working, not walking here. Yeah, but some quality time with Taika. There she walks. Look at those little paws. Such a beautiful creature she is. Yeah, we're gonna go and walk the hawk route here. Find some owls, of course. Take picture of dead, dying nature, apathy, and decomposing branches. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Let's go for a little walk. Indeed. That was roughly the loop of Hawk. We actually took a little shortcut. Oh, my face is red like a monkey's ass. Yeah, we took a little shortcut because the loop would have continued a little bit, but I know that it's next to a lake. Yeah, that's nice, but I couldn't take any smooth reflection images or anything like that because it's full of cottages. Yeah, totally full of cottages. Oh, my poor eyesight. Really dense spruce forest here. There is absolutely owl somewhere in there. I'm certain of it, as I always find the owls. Not, that's a joke. Yeah, I did fall down once, took a little tumble, but I think it's still okay. It crashed like straight into the ground, but seemed to be working at least. Yeah. This was this little walk. Hope you enjoyed the walk. If you walked with me, now some pictures. Remember to subscribe and like and all the nonsense of YouTube. Yeah. But hey, 1 week left for the holiday, and next video will be probably once again from Koppernäs, because we're gonna go there and take a little morning adventure on Wednesday. Yeah, this is Monday. Yeah, it says that it will be -3 then, so maybe there is thick mist in the ocean, on the ocean, at the ocean, I don't know. Yeah. Thank you, and catch you on the flip side.